Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to read and summarize PDF files with Claude Cowork. So in this video I will show you how to read and summarize PDF files with Claude Cowork. In order to do it, first of all, of course, you have to connect into your folder in Claude Cowork, or you have to drag a file into your Claude Cowork directly. I will maybe connect to a folder. Of course, you can click on that and press on add files, but it doesn't make a difference in that case. So let's go into choose a different folder. I will show you how to do it in Documents and Cloud. Now, if you will do something like this, you will be connected. Of course, you have to choose your own folder, your own path to your folder in order to make it work. Now, the video is about how to read and summarize PDF files with Claude Cowork. So I prepared inside of this folder the nasa.pdf. This is the random PDF from the NASA website. Inside of it we have 8 pages of some information about what NASA is doing, and we will ask AI, the Claude Cowork model, to summarize it for us. So maybe at the beginning we will list all files from the connected folders to make sure that that the model is actually seeing this file. So list all files from connected folder, like this. I will press enter. The model is thinking, loading tools, running command in order to list all files, and as you can see, we have some files from other videos, and we have this nasa.pdf that we will use today. And now we can move to the prompt. So we can just write, for example, read and summarize nasa.pdf file from connected folder, and you can press enter. Of course, we'll use the I think PDF skill, or it is not necessary in order to read the file, but if you are creating, for example, PDF file, you are using the PDF skill. In that case, the model is just reading nasa.pdf, and now you see the summary. So here is the summary of NASA's deep space exploration plans. Overview: this document outlines NASA vision for long-term human exploration of deep space under the Artemis program. So it is not really important what this file contains. This video is about how can we read and summarize PDF files with Claude Cowork. And of course, you are getting right now the output as a plain text. We can actually save it to the file. So we can write something like this: save this output as a PDF file, and we can press enter. And now our Cowork will save this output as a PDF file, and we will get the summarization of this nasa.pdf. I intentionally chose the only 8 pages long file because it is faster. By executing this command, as you can see, we got the answer within like 10 seconds. If I would choose the 300 pages PDF file, it could be a little bit longer, and I want to make this video pretty interesting, so this is why I did what I did. But in that case, save this output as a PDF file. Of course, we have it here, so we can view NASA Deep Space Summary. Right there, we have everything even in colors, so it looks even better than it was here. Of course, we can, for example, make a font a little bit lower to also include this thing in this page right there, but it is not really necessary in that case. Of course, this file is inside of this Cloud folder. We can open that, and we can also read it in the browser. So this is how does it work. This is how you can read and summarize PDF files with Claude Cowork. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.